Let's break down the key differences between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands, particularly concerning your Xfinity router. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range and better wall penetration, making it ideal for devices like smart bulbs, thermostats, and security cameras, which don't require high speeds. However, it's more prone to interference and offers slower speeds up to 600 megabits per second. In contrast, the 5 GHz band provides faster speeds up to 1.3 gigabits on Wi-Fi 6, but has a shorter range and struggles more with walls. This makes it better suited for high-bandwidth activities like streaming videos or online gaming. Xfinity routers, especially Xfi gateways, often use band steering to automatically connect your devices to what the router deems the optimal band. However, for more control, especially with IoT devices, splitting the bands can be beneficial. To manually split the bands on your Xfinity router, create separate Wi-Fi networks for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The simplest method is using the Xfi app. Log in, go to Network, Advanced Settings, Wi-Fi Settings, and then toggle Split Bands. This will give you distinct SSIDs for each band. You can also accomplish this through the Xfinity web portal at xfinity.com/myx or by entering 10.0.1 in your browser. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and enable separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Once split, connect your IoT devices to the 2.4 GHz network. For added security, enable WPA3 encryption for your IoT network. By dedicating the 2.4 GHz band to IoT devices, you reduce congestion on the 5 GHz band, improving performance for activities that need higher speeds. Remember that after splitting, you'll need to reconnect your devices to the appropriate networks.